heard of your games, your boy, your Wavy 6 with another episode. You guys know already we're in the winter, so it's time to maintain your pattern, you know what I'm saying, your hair, especially your woofing. So the video for today is about how you maintain your woofing, especially in the winter, but you guys get the picture. So currently I'm woofing for 20 weeks. This is my 20 weeks in the woof journey. Hopefully by the end of the weekend, I'm gonna cut it off because I'm already tired training the new layers. Remember, when you woofing, you're not brushing, you're not fixing the top layer of your hair. You're correcting the one that's underneath, okay? Because there's a lot of confusion out there, so I'm gonna make it clear. You're not training the top layer, you're training the one underneath. So when every time you're brushing and you see a top layer, they don't look as good, don't think about the layer, because that's the layer is gonna get cut off when you hit the shop. So train your hair the way you want it. Take me as an example right now. I'm shifting from 540 with a slant to 360 with a swirl. So automatically I got a swirl, so I could combine 540 with a slant and the swirl because it's almost the same crown. So I'm gonna show you my 20 weeks of woofing, and I'm gonna comb it, and I'm gonna comb it back down. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not even using brush, bro. I'm gonna keep it a bug with you. What I'm using is this and this. And I know you might think, yo, G, you need a brush. But to be honest, I got my own theories. So I believe the combing, you could fix your pattern better, especially when you're shifting. Because with this, you could reach straight down to your core, you know what I'm saying? You could reach down to your head, to your scalp, you know what I'm saying? With a brush, with the bristles, you could reach, or not too much. With a hard brush, you could reach, but you could hurt your scalp. So I'm not trying to hurt my scalp. So I'd rather use this. I could reach every layer. And this is the best when you woofing. When you woofing, with this you can reach the maximum potential with your hair. That's my thoughts, that's my theory, and I'm gonna stick to it. You know what I'm saying? I know other waves probably have different theories and different opinions. For each his own. I respect all of them equally, but that's just my experience based on what I'm going through in the process and what I experience, what I'm brushing, and what I'm combing. So I've been woofing already, you know what I'm saying, for 2 weeks. And all I've been using, honestly, is the comb and the plastic bag. And this is my results. So if you guys want to put it to the test, it's up to you. But it's just me. If you guys see my previous videos, you know how 540 goes. Okay, my crown is too thick, so I gotta cut it at least with a 2.5. And the rest of my hair, I'm gonna stick to 3 with the grain, because I like have definitions. A lot of wavers, they cut their hair with a 2.5, some of them with a 1.5. I'm not with that, because the way that I see it is, if I'm brushing and I'm woofing and brushing and woofing, doesn't make sense go to the shop and hit it with a 1.5 and cut everything off. Then you can see your scalp. I'm not with that. If I'm doing all the struggle and I'm brushing every day and I'm sweating and I'm here in the bathroom wasting my time, it doesn't make sense me hit the shop and everything that I work hard for it just vanish in seconds. So that's just my personal opinion. I'm gonna cut it 3 because I still want definitions, so I can keep grinding and keep working on it. And that's the way I do my woofing. So I'm gonna do a comb, just a tiny comb section. I'm not gonna go straight down to my crown, but just gonna go around it so I can show you my 20 weeks. I gotta wash my hair, and right now I'm washing my hair twice a week. Why? Because I'm trying to get my patterns set and fix my crooked angles. I'm trying to fix my 360. So this is my 20 weeks look like. As you guys can see, be gentle with it because you don't want your hair to break a lot. I know a lot of hair breaks, you know, you see. It's gonna break for you in the process. It's like having braids where your hair is compressed. You can change into this, to the big size suit, if you want your head to be pulled too much, but that comes with the territory, especially when you're wolfing. Not everybody likes to wolf, but since I'm shifting, I don't have a choice because I'm not cutting it. So if you want to cut it, you can cut it. If not, what I do, you could change the pattern. You just gotta stay consistent and just imagine your pattern and comb a lot. Use this a lot. Use it more than the brush if you have to. That's what I'm doing. I'm combing more than I'm brushing, and it's working. Yeah. I'm supposed to have more dry hair, and I don't. The reason why, because I'm using oils. I'm not using products. I'm not using pomades. I'm not using nothing thick. I'm using Jamaican castor oil. That's why my hair is not that dry, and I'm loving it. I suggest for my subscribers and whoever's watching this video, if you're doing waves or you got braids or whatever, use oils. Use oils. It's better, and I recommend this one right here. Black castor oil. It works good, man. I'm not using products, to be honest. I'm not using products. I'm using regular oils. I'm washing my hair twice a week. The reason why, because I want my patterns to shift faster. Remember, when your hair is wet, it's easier to move it around. So that's the reason why I'm washing my hair. If I wash it on a Monday, my next wash will be, you could say, on a Friday. So that's how I'm doing it. Okay, you guys see it, right? You guys see my wolf, right?
Oh my God.
20 weeks of hair right here. Alright, let's get it down now. This is how you know your hair is trained. If you want to know how your hair is trained, do this right here. Watch. If you do this and your hair go back down like nothing happened, your hair is trained. See what I'm saying? Watch. See? That's how you know your hair is trained. I'm not even forcing my hair, man. It just, you already know where you gotta go. And I'm still shifting. This is how I train my crown here. All right, you see? Look at my crown. My crown mad big. You smack him a few times so it could go down a little. So if you want your crown to be better, move your crown more than your pattern. What I mean by that is, if you're cutting it 2 around, cut your crown 3, a higher guard, so you can have more hair. Somehow, some way your crown grow slower than your regular pattern. So, based on my experience. Alright, so you guys can see, you see how my hair went down again? That's when you know that your hair is trained. You can do whatever you want with him when he's trained. So you're ready how to lay down. So I'm in the process of shifting, so it's gonna be a little hard. That's why my hair's not gonna look as good. So I'm in training mode, but as soon as my hairs get back to regular routine, it's gonna look better. Yep, this is what I do to maintain my woof. I comb, plastic bag, comb and plastic bag, and it's working for me, so. And I'm a medium hair, by the way. A lot of chorus, a lot of Mexican type hair, which is straight hair. I'm medium hair, the same as 360 Yeezy. So, my hair's not that good. My hair's curly. So, that's why my hair is easy to wave up, because I got curly hair. So, that's why a lot of people say that curly hair people cannot be wavers, because we wave up easy. And it's not that hard for us to get waves, which is true. They got a point, but we want to look fly too. So, yep. You see? What I gotta do is just hit the shop, cut it, and get ready for the next move session. But if you guys don't want to use this, if you don't got this, you don't want to use this, I know you guys probably got this. Some of you guys probably got this. 360 styles. I used to use this a lot. I still got some left. And it smells good. it's easy to wash off of your hair because it's not that thick. And I got this. You guys know this. This is number one right here. Everybody know this Morris, but this is the lightweight. This is light. This is not the original one, which is real super thick. No, I don't. When I started, yes, but then I gave it away. Look, and I barely use it. You can see. I'm more into oils, natural products, because I'm trying to take care of my hair. And if you guys don't have it, like natural oils, you can cop it at Walmart, you can cop it at any beauty supplies. They're not expensive, but remember, it's your hair. Treat your hair the same way you treat how you eat and how you dress. It's your hair. You want to make sure your hair is healthy, your hair looks good, especially in the summer when you're trying to show off, you know what I'm saying, your cut and everything. I'm just giving advice, you know what I'm saying, trying to stick away from the products, okay? I understand you want to use Morris to make sure your hair is laid down. You can lay your hair down without Morris. And how you lay down without Morris, honestly speaking, you can use this. I don't use products, bro. I stopped. I'm going to 2 years being a waver. The first year, I studied the game. I studied other waves, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to other waves. I learned from other waves, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say a lot of names, but they know, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about pioneers. Guys that been in the game longer than me. I learned from them to fix my mistakes. So I'm just trying to carry the message and pass it to my other brothers and sisters out there. You don't have to relate on products like Morris and all those products. You could stick with oils. There's a lot of good products out there cheap, especially organic and natural products, okay? I'm not putting down on products. You could use it at the beginning, but then later on, trying to swap it, trying to get better and get better, you know what I'm saying, evolution, you know what I'm saying, get better with yourself. And you're gonna thank me later because my hair is healthy right now. They don't look healthy because I'm wolfing, but if you see my hair close, it might look dirty because I'm wolfing, but you know, when you cut it, you see the real results. And I know when I cut it, my hair is gonna look crazy, and I'm gonna make the video for that too, so you guys can see it. So all I'm using right now, honestly speaking, is combing, plastic bag, combing and plastic bag. Yo, I'm being honest. Combing and plastic bag. I ain't capping, I'm being honest with you guys. That's what I'm doing right now, man. Combing and plastic bag, bro, for real. This go for my female wavers, man. And my G's out there, man. Take care of your hair, man. It's the only thing we have right now. So if you're gonna go loud, you wanna be a waver, you want your hair to look good and healthy, stick with the natural products, bro. You're gonna thank me later. That's all I'm using right now, man. Just regular products. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of oil now in the plastic bag. I'm gonna make this video a little longer. It's 18 minutes. I'm gonna make it a 25 just to show you guys that these things really works, man. No cap. Watch. Let me wait for it because this oil is really thick and I don't want to make a mess. Look, that's how you know. Look at the color, bro. And it's minty, man. It smells like mint. So it's like smoking a hookah, bro. Things smell just like that. I'll just put a little bit in my crown. Then I go with my angles. I go with my 8 angles. Boom. Boom. One drop in each angle, and then I split it. Then I spread it all over the place. I make sure my 8 angles get some first. And I just go around. Put it everywhere. Make sure your 8 angles get one drop. And I just do this. Alright. So after that, you don't gotta use your hands, man. You can use the same plastic bag to distribute the products in your hand. You know what I'm saying? Just be careful because you could create forks with this. So as you can see, look. Just be gentle with it. Remember, it's hair, it's nothing else. Just focus on your angles. Don't overlap your angles. Because when you overlap your angles, you create forks. And forks is really hard to come out. So. You gotta do nice, take your time. Boom, okay. I get a little close on my crown here. That's my third angle right here. Right in the middle. This is my fourth. That's 6 angles. I changed my hands. Change your hands is better. Train both hands. So. Number 6. Number 7. My 8 right here. You see? And I know you guys think, yo, G, do the crown. I don't do the crown with the plastic bag. Why? Because I don't want to create forks. So what I do is I just tap method. I just tap it. Since I got a lot of hair, I can play with it. I just tap it. I use the flat part of the comb. And that's how I'm training my crown. Let's do my regular angles normal. No overlapping. Just come with the flat in the corners. You see how my comb is moving, right? You see? Using the corner of the comb. Tap it. Oh, do it again with the same part. You see? You see how puff is my crown, right? That's why I want to cut it with a 2.5. Look, that's what I got. Look at my crown. You know what my crown is? That's all it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Just learn from this, man. Do the same thing I'm doing. Take your time, be patient. They'll come in, man. Just be patient. Nothing else. If it worked for me, it worked for you. I'm not saying I'm elite. I got a lot work to do, but I'm in process. As long as you're in process, don't worry about the rest. You just gotta stay consistent. Okay? How I got this pattern? Being consistent, stay dedicated to it, and stay self-motivated. Compete with yourself. Don't compete with nobody else, because you're the only person that's gonna help each other out. Compete with yourself. I don't compete with nobody. I compete with myself to be better than yesterday. It's your boy, you 86, man. I'm out of here.